This is Tim here from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to set a custom notification sound on your Android phone. So I have all these different custom notifications on here, and I can switch it over. Now, the easiest way to get your custom notifications is by using apps under the Google Play Store. So we can go to the Play Store, and this is the one I like the most, Zedge wallpapers and ringtones. We can just go to search and type in Zedge, get Zedge right here. I must have spelled it wrong. Okay, then go to this icon, Zedge wallpapers and ringtones by Zedge. This does contain ads. Now, accept any kind of permission that pops up when you install it. So if this contains ads, there will be little pop-ups. You just go to the top right and hit the X, and then you don't have to, go through with that. Now, look for the ringtone, the notification that you want. A lot of times I just do like Halo or something like that. We can do like Elder Scrolls. Maybe that will work. Elder Scrolls. And you see if that pops up. So there should be some notifications in here. So we got ringtones, notifications, wallpapers. Ringtones are going to be like 30 seconds long. Notification sounds will be like 2 seconds. So we can go to notifications right here. And then we can click one of these. So let's go to Oblivion Quest. Tap this and see if this is anything. Okay, I don't recognize that, but it might be something with that video game. So we can go to download right there. We can set notification. We can set the alarm, set ringtone. So we want to go to set notification. Okay, so this should be set as a custom notification. We can go to settings. Scroll down under here to go to sound and vibrations and go to notification sound. And you can see it's switched on over automatically to Oblivion Quest. So hopefully this video did indeed help you guys out.